8 new COVID-19 cases have been reported in Karnataka, as the number of COVID-19 cases has risen to 659 in Karnataka, as 3 new COVID-19 cases have been reported from Bengaluru. 2 COVID-19 cases reported from Bagalkot, 1 case each from Ballari and Dakshina Kannada and Uttara Kannada. So that's the news from the latest medical bulletin which has been released, as 8 new COVID-19 cases have been reported in Karnataka, and the number of COVID-19 cases has now risen to 659 across the state. 3 COVID-19 cases reported from Bengaluru, 2 cases from Bagalkot and 1 case each from Ballari, Dakshina Kannada and Uttara Kannada. Now we'll present to you the details of each and every patient. As patient number 652, 30-year-old female from Bengaluru Urban, patient's contact under tracing, admitted to designated hospital in Bengaluru. Patient number 653, 34-year-old male from Bengaluru Urban, patient is contact of patient number 420, admitted to designated hospital in Bengaluru. These are the details of the new fresh 8 cases reported today. Patient number 654, 45-year-old male, Bengaluru Urban again, patient suffering from ILI, admitted to designated hospital in Bengaluru. The total number of cases has risen to 659 in Karnataka. As we take a look at the patient number 655 details, 29-year-old female from Bagalkot, patient is contact of patient number 367 and 368, admitted to designated hospital in Bagalkot. Patient number 656, 29-year-old male from Bagalkot, patient is contact of patient number 367 and 368 again, admitted to designated hospital in Bagalkot. As we await detail of the next patient, which is on your screen, 43-year-old male from Ballari, patient has a travel history to Uttarakhand, admitted to designated hospital in Ballari. Patient number 658 from Dakshina Kannada, 51-year-old male, which is a contact of patient number 536, admitted to designated hospital in Dakshina Kannada. Patient number 659, age 28 years, male, Uttara Kannada, and patient is suffering from ILI, admitted to designated hospital in Uttara Kannada. As now the total number of cases in Karnataka has risen to 659, 8 new or 8 fresh cases have been reported.